My name is Manoj J Lekhi. Recently, I've got a pain in my ankle, so it's paining very badly. So I went to the orthopedic doctor. So he told me to stop wearing my leather shoes and wear sports shoes only. It will support your ankle. So this he had told me about 2 years back also, but that time I didn't listen to him. And I was wearing that, who will wear the sports shoes in the office and go? It doesn't look good. I went in the looking good. Now today the pain is increased. So I realized that I am responsible for that, number one. Number two is when I eat food, I eat little bit fast. Because of that, my stomach is bloated. And I eat dinner, I go to sleep immediately. So a lot of people have told me that you should have a break of 2 hours before you go to sleep, and your food is digested properly. So all those things, I was just recapping myself that all the things are within me, but I don't use it properly. So I'm responsible for whatever is happening in my life.
I have attended this program 2 months before, and I was telling Manju, saying that what is the use of coming again? He said, no, you come, you'll still get something new. And I really got something new. In the voice recorder last time on relationship, Manju said, okay, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, you really talk about what the issues are, self-talk, right? And record it. And there were 2 or 3 people from my previous work experience, a couple of them colleagues and one boss. Basically, I really had issues in the relationship. It was incomplete. And the realization I got at that point of time was that I need to forgive them. Okay, to close. I resolved to forgive. And this time again, this afternoon, when Manju said, please focus on one, and I really picked up a relationship, and the same set of 2-3 people again came. I was shocked. I thought I had forgiven them, but still, if they are coming up, it means that I have not really completed the process fully. So the realization that I have is resolving to forgive is one thing, but actually forgiving is another. And that's the realization I got.
My also digestion, so I got my eating patterns.
Just say one-liner. My digestion problem, my answer is this.
My answer is my eating patterns, that I'm repeatedly following that only.
So you have to change your eating patterns?
Yes.
Okay.
I work out a lot, and eventually from the past 2 months I wasn't able to work out, and my weight that I had lost has come back. So I realized that it's only because of that, and my eating patterns have also changed over the last 2 months. So now I need to again work on that.
Problem, I got the answer that I've been abusing a lot to myself sometimes, like in form of a sitting, sleeping position. So the position problem is there.
Read a book called 10x is better than 2x, but was not knowing how to implement, so just thinking why, and we've just started a project and we've got a bank loan also, but then we are falling short of some cash. So then connected that if we're able to grow the business 10x, then the required money is there with us. So that's it.